Welcome back, everyone. So today we are going to take a look at some amazing long to short hair transformations. The first one kicks things off with someone who has mid-length hair, and she is going for more of the bob shape. So the stylist was able to trim the hair down to about a mid-length bob, shoulder length bob. And then moving into transformation number 2, we see someone with shoulder length hair, and she is going to also be getting a bob. Oh, I absolutely love this angled bob. So her hair ends right about around chin length. It really emphasizes her bone structure as well as her eyebrows. I think that this is an amazing haircut transformation. Absolutely love it. Loving the fact that the hair is kept longer on one side just to create more definition overall with the hair. And then here we see another bob haircut transformation. This one features more of the classic chin length bob style. I actually think I prefer the look better with the part down the center versus flipped over. Alright, so next up we see a gorgeous short little pixie haircut. And she has decided to dye her hair more of that platinum blonde. You guys know that platinum blonde is very hot this moment, so it's nice to see the color switch up. And then we see this cute little blonde pixie getting cut even shorter. So far, I'm loving the results of this shape up that she's getting. Her hair is very neat, very, very well kept and shaven. Loving the length. Oh no. I thought he was about to cut the bangs. No. Okay, he's not. Oh man, but I think that overall is a very cute classic pixie haircut. Love it. Alright, so next up we see someone start off with about mid-back length hair. And the stylist is cutting it. Oh, she's just getting her ends trimmed? Okay. Because I thought that she was gonna do like a big chop and do a bob or something. Now it looks like she's getting curtain bangs or layers in the front. Yeah, I would say probably more so like curtain bangs. That's typically the technique that they use for doing that. And I will be having a full video out all about bangs on Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you aren't already subscribed to that channel, definitely check out that channel, because I do get more in depth as far as like what some of the current hair trends are. So here we have a blonde, and she's getting some cute waves. The stylist is defining the hair with the blow dryer. So the stylist is defining the hair with a blow dryer, adding in some beautiful, gorgeous waves. Loving the subtle blonde money piece for this hair color. And her makeup is absolutely gorgeous, very soft and natural. And then for this clip, this is just a fun little hair accessory that you can kind of jazz up your look with. All right, so next we see another gorgeous bob transformation. This one features the signature blunt bangs. Very pretty. Absolutely love this look. I love the slight wave in the hair. I love the bangs. All right, so next up we see a half up, half down hair tutorial. She's adding in hair extensions with this one. Love the fact that they are clip-ins. If you guys have not tried clip-ins, what are you waiting for? Because they are simply amazing. And no one will be able to tell that it is not your hair. Well, if you get good quality ones. So here she is curling the hair with the flat iron. Defining the baby hairs, which is a hot trend right now. So gorgeous. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Oh, we see one more clip. Okay, so this one is a pixie. And it's once again by that guy, Just Dilla Hair. And he's actually cutting their hair this time. Oh, he's adding color. Oh, so she went with a gorgeous little purple silver color. That is so cute. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.